this video, I'd like to show you how to perform custom actions on your Google Sheet backend in the Glide app application using first the trigger action and second the Google script deployment things. So eventually it's related to perform complex actions on your sheet that Glide may not make available directly, or if you want to do some more complex things, not just adding rows or updating values and so on and so forth. So for these tutorials, I'm working with an application that I made with Glide, which is a sharing expense application. So basically, I have expenses and people and sort of some figures and stuff. Anyway, so the goal is to use here the trigger webhook to trigger some specific actions on your Google Sheet. So what you can do here, if you open the Google Sheet, Tools, Script Editor, and you end up in here, and you can write in a file here, so it triggers.js, but you can name it differently if you want, a function called doPost. So this is a reserved name from Google, so make sure to call it like that. And it takes as an argument the request. This data indeed is filled by Glide when you are here in the custom action. You can pass parameters in here, and you will find these parameters in the request.postdata.content. So you pass this string as a JSON, and then here you can see that contents.params.nocontainer.value here is the way I recover the value that I've passed here. So basically, when I'm here and with this trigger, I can now do whatever I want, scripting with Google Script, which is somehow JavaScript, whatever I want on the sheet. And this action has been triggered by the user using the Glide application. So I'm not going to go to detail how to write scripts that perform action on spreadsheets, but I'm going to show you just how to deploy your application so that this works eventually. So what you have to do, write these doPost functions and go to the deployment here at the top right of the screen. Or you can make new deployment or manage this deployment. I have already one deployment, so I won't change it. And so you can update the version here if you want, choose the version if you want to deploy. And here you see that you have here the URL of the application. So copy this URL, and then if you're back in Glide, you can add a new webhook. You can create this webhook, and as you can see in here, this is the same URL. So basically what you just have to do is deploy here, copy this URL, create a webhook, paste this URL, and then when you add the values in here, you will be able to get them directly with this these few lines: content, JSON parse, request, post data content, and then you can do whatever you want with this data on your sheet. So hopefully it will help you add more complex logic to your application. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask them below.